Okay, so a really quick one today, guys. I know my videos sort of go on a bit. I was basically setting up to leave to remove this car from the shed, and I just said I'd pull the wiring so that I can wire it in the relay and everything like that. So, but I don't know if I'm wasting my time, and I'd like your guys' input because it is extensive, actually, even in such a simple car. The wiring seems to be extensive. So I found the ELR control unit, probably is what you would call that. And I've also found the EGR control unit, and I've gotten those wiring plus I have a couple of relay boxes or glow plug relay boxes plugs here, and I brought them all back. And then obviously I have this main one that seems to be sitting over this side as well. I brought them all through underneath here and got them over this side. It's actually really difficult to do that. It took a very long time, a lot longer than I expected to. And then I've gotten it to the point where they're broke loose except for what feeds into underneath the fuse board. And obviously that feeds back to there. They all seem to have come off the negative feed. And obviously they're not all negative, but they came off a negative in a block there. And then there's another load of connectors that have the likes of the sump gasket, sump gasket, sump sensor, I think the flywheel sensor, or the fly position sensor, the caliper sensor, and the ABS, I think, all comes off this. But there is one glow plug related one, and I brought that through over here. So you can see here there is, what's that one there? That sump level sensor. We have, what else have we got here? That's the live terminal. We have the starter, so that feeds the starter as well. I know I don't need oil level sensor, that one is, or oil pressure. One's going to be pressure, one's going to be level. One's basically going, the one I say is level, is going to the filter housing. That's the caliper sensor as well. So that all comes through, but am I wasting my time? Like, what do I actually need for the running of the car, in addition to what's already in the car, already in the 300 TE? Like, I'm not going to, well, I would like to incorporate the ELR just for the likes of winter and air conditioning units and stuff, for it to be able to regulate the revs. I don't care so much for the EGR, obviously. And then that's a plug that feeds into the glow plug wiring. But like, how much of it do I actually need, or what should am I basically wasting my time getting all involved into the wiring when we know these engines can run on, let's say, two wires to get them started and running and everything like that? What exactly do I need wiring wise to incorporate it into the 300 TE? So obviously I'm going to need the glow plug relay, but what wiring inside of that? Does that just take a feed from the ignition, and it has its internal timer, I'm presuming? So whatever advice you can give me, guys. I'm hoping that these videos are not only helping me, but they're helping other people who are looking at doing the job, and they're getting their kind of feet wet by seeing everything that I've gone into just to take apart this part of it. I'm taking this out now, so I'll get whatever. If I need to take the wiring out, I will. But this is going now, so it's off the lift and everything like that. The next one in is the W210 with the turbo OM606. I'm going to start sorting out all of these bits. I'm going to throw a load of it back into the car that I might need, but I also might not. And then I'm going to send off the fuel pump at the same time to get rebuilt with that Diesel Pump UK kit. And then once I start taking apart the turbo OM606, I'm sure there's going to be a lot more of this wiring in that. But what is superfluous and what's actually necessary, I could really do with some advice on that. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Cheers, bye.